through April, I was bound to leave, to navigate out on the sea, over the water, over the deep, out in the open, out on the highest sea. Cannons and